Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this mini remote key fob. The battery is situated just behind this panel here, so what we need to do is split the case open to access the battery. We do that by placing our flat-headed screwdriver just down here. There is a slit at the back of the case where you can put the screwdriver in and just prise the case open like so. It's really quite simple, and just pop it open like that, and there you go. There is your battery. Just get a little screwdriver and just pop it out of its housing. We get our new key fob battery, which has a part number of CR2025, like this one. And we just simply pop it back into the housing, making sure that the writing is facing upwards and we know it's in its correct location. And we just simply pop the case back on. Make sure it's all lined up and it clicks in place, and there you go. It's all done.